Okay, now right.
Yes,
So
sir.
in mathematics, okay, how we can find your set operators means. So when we have here two sets, okay, now A and B, and on this two sets of values, when you want to use union or union all, intersect or a minus. So these are going to be how it was work on two sets of values we discussed in the last class. But the same thing, how you want to take two sets, same as in place of A and B. Now I'm taking two tables now. Okay. One table I'm creating with a okay with some name, and second table also creating with some name. And after we are inserting you want to get some idea on this, okay? What is the definition for your database technology wise? Write down below. Set of set are used, set operators are used to combine to combine the result of to combine the results of to combine the results of two select statements as a single. Need to write your multiple select queries. Select query number one, and here I need to use my set operator, and should write your select query number two. And finally, you have to give your terminator. So this is your syntax here. Select query one and use set operator and select query number two. From both tables without duplicates. Without duplicates or duplicate rows. Next, union all. Union all, what it was tell us, it was combined all rows from both tables with duplicates. Intersect. Okay, it return common rows. It returns common rows from both tables. Minus operator. It returns uncommon values or uncommon rows from both tables from both tables sorry uncommon values from a left side table which should not or which will not found in right side table, not found in right side table. Okay, so these are the definitions about your set operators. It's regarding to your databases wise. Okay, databases wise, you can define your definitions of set operators. Okay, and now here let me come out to examples. For examples, how to write queries on this set operators here. Observe. Okay. So come to your database. So go to your database now. Now connect to your database here. Okay. So MyDB 2 p.m. Okay. So now I need to set some common properties here. So what is now? Page size and set lines. Okay. These are the two common properties we need to set. And now come to my table. Coming. Wait. Time is coming to you. Coming. Okay, now. Now these are the tables. Already having some tables in our database now. Okay, right. And now I'm going to creating some more tables into this for my set operators related. Okay, now. So I'm creating here some, and how the tables I'm creating means for simple example. Okay, now you can see, suppose X is a company was there here. Okay, now X is a company. This organization is having here two branches, for example. Okay, now. So one branch in Hyderabad. Okay. So one branch in, for example, Mumbai. So these are the two branches we have here. So X is an organization. This organization is having two branches. One branch was located in Hyderabad and one branch was located in Mumbai. So now what we want to do here. So who was working in Hyderabad? Okay. So those employees I need to save. For generally, when we want to save your data in database, so we are going to be using tables. So I'm creating one table who are working under Hyderabad branch. Okay. And another branch people data also I need to store. So then I will go for to create one more table. Okay. Now, so that means here two branches people data I need to store. For the storing purpose, I'm creating two tables now. Okay, one branch was employees who are working in Hyderabad. One table is one more branch, Mumbai, who are working in, okay, Mumbai branch. So those employees information. So two branches employees data. Okay, I want to store into your tables now. Okay, now, right. So how we can go to design these tables? Let me see. So create table emp underscore HYD. So I will take the common information about employees, what it will be there. So employee ID, employee name, and the common thing is what now? Salary. For example, I was taken salary. So these are the few columns I just go to design now. Okay, now, right. After some records into this table, emp underscore Hyderabad and sending values. Okay, now see, I'm sending some values here to one. Some employee name is Smith and salary was 85,000. Same as the second one, 2 and the name was Adams. The salary was, for example, 62,000 rupees. So one more employee was there here, 1023. So the name was Jones. So for example, 48,000 rupees. Those people information again I have to go and save in my table. So same thing, it should be there here, same ID, salary, and employee name. So number of 10. Okay. Same as usual here also few records I'm inserting here. So into Mumbai. So sending values of, so 1021. Okay, the name is Smith and salary was 85,000. Okay. And the same as I'm going to take here one more, 1023. The name is Ward and taking here, for example. So one is EMP underscore Hyderabad and one more is called as what now? Mumbai. So on this two tables data, can you see one particular row is having the common row? Can you find out here? So this is entire, the row is called as a common. So this row is called as a duplicate row. That means their ID number is matching, their name also matching, their salary is also matching. So this kind of, when it was having the each and every column values will be having in the same, then I can say this is a common row. Okay, now, and I was maintain one common row in this two table, and just imagine like, okay, this employee was working in both branches. So 15 days working in Hyderabad and 15 days working in Mumbai. Okay, now, so like that, this person details was there into two tables. Okay, so whenever you just imagine, so these are the two tables, you have your tables like this. On these two tables, okay, now I need to perform my set operations. Okay, and what kind of questions will come to you in the set operators whenever, if you go to any interview panels or any interviews, so what kind of questions they will be asked you which related to set operators. Okay, now, right. So now first these two tables I'm just taking into your running notes. Okay, for your practicing purpose you have to do this. This is called as demo tables. These tables don't take, just in your notepad I'm giving now. So these demo tables you just keep it now and do some, okay, examples right down below. Okay, demo tables, just leave it right. The query write down first of all. Write a query. Okay, write a query to display to display to display employees who are working in both branches, who are working in both branches. So whenever you need to find like this, the which employees are working in both branches or in multiple branches, those employees I need to find out. Okay, now, so when we need to find out, okay, what we can say, both the branches employees who are working in both branches, which operator will be useful? This is working on set operators, not end operator. Which is both branches, which employees working in both branches. So two different tables are there: EMP Hyderabad, EMP Mumbai. Now in these two branches, do you have any employees there? Yes, who is that? Smith. So the person details I want to retrieve. Which operator? Intersect. Intersect means what? Common values. So how you set common values? Here, what you want to check? Common rows. What is a common row? Smith is a common employee. So that I want it. So that means the same employee who was working in the both branches, that person, suppose in case if any employee was there, he was working in both branches, that person details I need to fetch out. Okay, na? So compulsory. So here one person was there here. His name is Smith, and he's each and every ID, name, and salary. Here also ID, name, and salary. Everything will be same. Understand, na? So now let me come out and see how to write here. Select. Okay, start from